And while we are staying on the topic of pregnancy, did you know that morning sickness occurs in at least 50% of pregnant women? So how do you get rid of that nausea and vomiting?
Yeah.
I don't know, right?
I would say a tiny little bit of food, maybe.
Well, did you have morning sickness when you were pregnant?
I did, actually, yeah, a little bit. And it was, I had a lot of saltine crackers and a lot of water.
Yeah, well, I was nauseous the whole way for 3 months.
Really? Yeah.
Oh, yes, it was miserable. So I would have loved to have heard what today's how-to tip is all about. But before trying any of these tips, make sure to check with your doctor or health care provider first. So on that note, okay, some of the things with pregnant women, when they get, and my mother actually had this problem, when they're pregnant, they have a lot of excessive amount of saliva.
Okay.
So one of the things that you can do to combat that, plus also combating morning sickness, is to suck on a mint.
Oh.
And also brush your teeth frequently. That will help reduce some of that saliva in your mouth. So
okay.
There's a simple one there. Now another thing, like you said, eat smaller meals.
Right.
And more frequently. Because it's very important to do that, because the acid in your stomach, when your stomach is empty, it forms more acid. So when you eat, there's less of it in. So
gives you something to churn on then.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But smaller meals more frequently will really help with that.
And bland.
Right, exactly. Bland too. Yes, definitely no spices. And that gets me to my next point.
Oh, okay.
Hydration. So if you eat spicy foods, you don't want to do that. And you don't want to drink beverages that are going to cause dehydration. You want to make sure to stay hydrated when you're pregnant. So another thing that you can do that's a home remedy is there are some mixes that you can create. Like taking a mix with water and adding 1 tablespoon of honey and apple to that.
Oh, okay.
Pretty cool. And then how about this? Apple cider. I bet you didn't know about that.
Apple cider?
Apple cider vinegar. Yes, it does. So if you take apple cider vinegar and mix that with water, that will also help combat that.
I wonder if it neutralizes the acid in your stomach.
I have no idea.
It feels like that would actually
I know.
give you a tummy
It would be
ache.
just the opposite.
Yeah.
But you bet you're right with neutralizing. That's a good one there. Okay, and then also, another thing you could do is taking a mixture of mint and lemon. Twice a day, 3 to 4 times a day. Mix this together with some water. Also, that will help combat some of that.
Mint tea?
Exactly. Or the two combined. The two combined, you want to do that. The other thing, too, is smelling a lemon will reduce nausea. Can you believe that?
No.
Yeah, it absolutely will. Plus, also, drinking mint tea, apple juice, ginger, and also
Bananas.
vitamin B will help combat. Also.
Okay.
So some pretty simple ones, right?
All really good.
Yeah, all really good tips. So we found these simple solutions on ehow.com and also getallabout.com. So you can head to our website to read the full article and stay healthy and be good to your little baby that's inside your belly.
Yeah.